So today I'm going to be turning this piece of pine. Objective here is to get somewhat of a medium bowl. Actually, it's about 7 1/4 in width and about 6 inches high. This is for my daughter Chuck. She's been wanting a bowl for quite some time, so I figured this would be the piece. Hope it turns out well, and hope you folks enjoy the video. This piece of pine's pretty dry. In a minute here, I'm going to be adding some sanding sealer to see if I can't minimize the cracking, because cracks are already starting to form. By the way, I would like to mention that I will be sanding away most of the sanding sealer. I'm just using it to see if I can control the cracking. After that, I will apply some walnut oil. I'll wait for 24 hours, let it dry, and then I will apply some Gleam Boat Finish. High gloss finish. She wanted a shiny bowl on the outside, so I'm just trying to accommodate what she wants. I'd like to apologize for the washout on the color of the video. I'm not sure what happened, but the setting obviously changed, and I didn't realize this until after I started putting the video together. So my apologies. I'm using this new bowl scraper I purchased. I actually purchased it a bit ago, just never really used it. I got to get used to using it. It's not a very easy tool to use. Now for a quick sanding, starting with 80 grit, ended with 400. I'll be applying pure walnut oil here shortly. 24 hours later, I'll now start to apply the Gleam boat finish to the outside of the bowl. Almost done. So this is the outcome of the medium bowl. As mentioned earlier, 6 inches high, 7 3/4 across. It's just over a 1/4 inch thick. I might have, or I should have left it a little bit thicker. There are some cracks. I'm hoping that that sanding sealer will keep it from cracking anymore. It is a food safe bowl. So if you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.